Hey, what's going on YouTube? I'm D, and this New Touch Auto. Now I'm bringing you episode 2 of the Hummer Chronicles. Now I mentioned in my introduction that I'm gonna be breaking it, building it up. The harder challenges is gonna come in the end. So in the beginning, we're gonna keep it simple. And it don't get no simpler than what I got for y'all today. We're gonna be replacing this antenna right here. For me, it's too long. I'm customizing, so I got to make it look fresh. Now this is my personal vehicle, so therefore, I'll be showing y'all a lot of customizations. Now the antenna that I purchased, it's a little bit more stylish than this right here. It's a little bit too old school for me. I ain't too fond of it, so I'm gonna be replacing this. Now the one that I got, I ordered off Amazon, so I'll leave the link below so you can check it out yourself. It's pretty much a whole lot shorter than this right here, but it's more stylish. That's me. Here's the antenna. It comes with different screw inputs. Now on the screw inputs, you may have one that's different. Every one is not compatible. I'm gonna show you a little bit more close-ups and to give you a better idea of what exactly I'm talking about. So let's go ahead and get started with this video. Now this vehicle is an H2 Hummer. The antenna is on the passenger side of the vehicle. This will have to be slid up and I will have to unscrew it here. I'll be using some grip pliers and I'll be able to grip it better and twist it. The new antenna, which is this one. Here's your part number and everything you need. I'll add the additional information below in the description box. Now this antenna here, here's the input, and I'm pretty sure that this may be different from this one, but I'm not sure. So the bottom end, they have inserts that you can swap out. I'll be able to swap this out with the additional ones that they have in to make it more universal. Here are the other parts that comes in it. These are additional. Like I said, you can swap this out with this. Simply just unscrew it and you can swap it out. But we'll find out once we remove this. So now what we do is go ahead and try to match up the same input. Currently I have this one on, so let's see if this one matches. Pretty much the same, so to be sure, I'm gonna go ahead and insert it, see if it tightens down. Everything matches up. And it's in there, it's sturdy. It's not going anywhere. We got it in there. All right, here's my area where I must insert the bottom end of the antenna. What's attached to the vehicle is the female insert. Here's the male insert. So this hole, if it's not that size, I will swap it out of the other 4 options that they have inside the red packet. One of these sizes got to work. I know for sure that this one's gonna work, so we're gonna go ahead and insert it inside this hole. Now as I tighten it down, you'll notice that it's pretty snug. Now as you go all the way down as far as you can go, don't over tighten it because you can't go too far, but you'll potentially rip it. You'll notice it's not moving. If it's wobbly, I mean something wrong. You need to change out your insert. That wasn't too hard, right? This install don't get no easier than this right here. Now, if you're interested in like something taller than this, or something with a little bit more height, they got those also in the description below. Just check it out, navigate yourself through it, and you'll see all the other items they have. Now that old one, like I said, it was a little bit too old school for me. I wanted something a little bit more stylish, so this is what I went for. You got any comments about this? Drop a comment below. Let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed, it's below. For those who have subscribed, thank you. I appreciate the support. Y'all stay tuned for episode 3 of the Hummer Chronicles. I got more to come. Thank y'all, and I'll catch y'all on the next video.